Yeah.
These are very expensive. This is probably a $200 set.
Would you take 40 for all?
$5.25. Ticket.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Cool. Nice.
Oh, $10?
Yeah.
No?
Like shipping it.
Oh. This one, too. It's gotta be like grandmother.
Bush's beans. Dreams do come true.
One more, the match. $1. There's another earring.
What's that? Yeah. A little pricey.
You're welcome.
That's a big glove.
I get enough cream in there for you. Would you want them to sing for you?
Oh, it has to be
That's cool. Quarter.
That's yours. Yours. Stuff. I have a couple hats in there that are championship hats signed by Jeff Gordon.
Really?
And I have another one signed by Sterling.
Wow. Thank you. Hopefully it works. So then I can, well, there's a turn.
Oh, wow.
I have a Mark Martin.
Wow.
I have the Jeff Gordon.
Okay.
Sterling
Wow,
Marlin.
that's cool.
Kenny Bernstein. Whole bunch of them.
Huh. That's cool.
And not quite sure who that one is.
How much is this one?
I'll take 5 for that one. I've
Wow.
looked online. They're going anywhere from 15 to 20.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That's
You
cool.
need a 12 volt.
Who was that you said?
that is Jeff Gordon
That
who
is Jeff
won the
Gordon.
championship.
Wow.
Yeah.
What, Mom?
Is this worth $10? I think it's missing all the cords.
If it works. If I do the 5, would you throw these in? You had a quarter and a quarter?
Sure.
Okay.
But it, Dave, it's
Because I don't have quarters.
That's fine.
Dave,
What?
How would you hook it up?
How would I what?
How would you hook it up? Do you need no
You need
HDMI?
power cord. Okay, HDMI line in. You need 12 volt DC. That's a pretty standard plug, but you need a power cord. Is the only thing you're missing.
Would that be worth 10 or? The one at 20, I asked them 10.
Ask him if he has a power cord. If he has it, I mean, are you going to use it? Kids will
For
like
the
it.
kids, that's what I'm thinking.
If he has a power cord, I'd
Do
get
you
it.
have the power cord for it, probably? There's supposed to be a power cord with it. You don't have
That sucks. Sorry.
Call Mom and ask her if there's a power cord that goes with it.
Josh called me.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Hey, dog collars, Mom.
What is it?
Dog collars?
Yeah, no, my dogs are Pooh.
Alright, should we go?
Yeah, I'm waiting for her to see if we can find the power cord too.
Miss. Cool.
No. My son says I think you have to get a cord on that.
Well, you could. You're just gonna have to buy. This is cool. How do you open it? Oh, I see it.
Toys. Oh, there you go.
Hmm. Oh, that's pretty neat. They're like Ninja Turtles. Huh. Thomas Superhero. $5. She's such a cheapskate. You can't.
I don't know anything about the karaoke.
Are these your Thomas?
That is my niece's, but you make an offer. Plus, I got to get back to her.
I was thinking like 3 on it.
Fine.
Okay. You got it, Mom?
I did get it.
All right. Here you go. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Here. Them are. I used to have to make those.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Well, maybe I can go get a power cord at Walmart for it.
That's what I thought. Come on. Let's put these in the car. This Thomas thing is really cool.
What thing?
This Thomas thing, it's like superheroes. Someone falsely advertised the awfulness of Florida sales.
Whatever. The very bad.
I see that. Just terrible. I'm being sarcastic. I just bought one of those.
My sister bought out poles.
Oh my gosh.
Move your front doors and then get
It's like brand new stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys robbing some stores?
Definitely. I'm a kleptomaniac.
Sonoma.
I don't know what's the name of it.
It's like fancy stuff. This guy's cool. A smoking tree. $10 though. I have one. It's not good unless you want it. I think you have one of those in your garage. Or not your garage, your kitchen. What's that? Someone had some seriously strong perfume, huh? You already have a lot of chairs, though. I don't know that you need more.
I know.
$2.50 for the chairs. Yikes. Morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good. Teacher?
What?
Were you a teacher?
No, I was in my own business.
Oh,
I used
okay.
to do seminars, I use the overheads, but
Gotcha.
not anymore, now I'm retired.
Yeah. Oh, laser jet. That's cool. Some cool old electronics. Cool, thank you.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, okay. Usually they're overpriced.
Yeah, those were all very overpriced. Well, let's check this one out.
Alright.
Right here.
I don't know. We'd crack.
How much for the router bits?
We had to get my husband. He just went inside.
Okay. I bet you'd give me a better price than he would.
I would, you're right. Take them. Yes.
You never want to buy router bits from a man. They're going to be expensive.
Got a little westie.
Little scarves.
These are coming.
Ma, they got a cat calendar.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a cool little police wreath, Mom.
Unless is he a policeman?
I got that at a charity auction thinking somebody else would outbid me.
Yeah.
These are brand new. I was asking how much the router bits were.
Well, it depends on which ones.
All right.
Wife would give him a better deal.
This is 10.
Okay.
This is 5.
Okay.
10,
Uh-huh.
20, and these are 5 apiece.
Okay, so 10, 5, 10, 20,
Yep.
5 apiece.
Yep. Nice woodworking tools.
Yeah.
These are very expensive. This is probably a $200 set.
Would you, was that like 50 for all? Would you take 40 for all? Or is that, am I at 10, 20, 40? Yeah. So,
Yeah,
you
I'll
take 40?
for all.
Okay. I'll do it. I've been getting into woodworking lately, so.
I've even got more, but I didn't have time to bring them out.
What else do you have?
This is a pretty
I've
good
got more
starter supply.
individuals.
My dad gave me, what is it, like a green router thing. I got to learn how to use it still.
Okay.
He does have other stuff, Dave.
But you got some more?
Yeah.
I think there's enough bits for me. Again, I'm getting started, so I think this is probably enough for quite a while.
Well, those are good sets.
Yeah, those are good. They're nice. Okay. Cool.
All right.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Have
it.
a good day.
You too.
I'll make good use. He's making furniture.
Oh, yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes those ones.
There's one there. There it is. I don't know why Tina worries about you.
Let's try. Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this video. You know, I found a couple of things. This was a little neighborhood sale. A lot of times with neighborhood sales, you get a bunch of really small sales. I think I ended up cutting out 6 sales just to show you these couple. Just because I didn't buy anything. The prices were high. The amount of stuff they had was very limited. So, you know, a lot of it got cut. But the stuff that I did leave in there I thought was vaguely interesting. And I thought you might enjoy it. What I did buy, I think, was the router bits. I bought several router bits. I paid up for them. I paid $40. I've already sold a handful of them, and I'll put the comps up at the end of the video. And I think I've already sold, I don't know, maybe I've gotten $120 or so out of what I sold. Paid $40, so definitely profitable. Not huge money, but very nice return on investment for, you know, 5 minutes of my life. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. Hit the like button, do all that fun stuff. Check out my other videos. Thank you. Oh, I forgot about this. I also got that signed Jeff Gordon hat, and I really kind of failed because she had a bunch of really awesome vintage hats. And again, this was 2-3 months ago. I was still kind of learning with hats. I'm still not a pro with hats, but I know now watching the footage that a lot of those hats were great, and I definitely should have bought them. So I know you're smacking your head or bashing your keyboard that I didn't buy those. I realize it was a mistake, but you know, that one Jeff Gordon hat I bought did sell for $40, so oops.